looking good today. Guys, welcome back to the channel. My little piece of paradise over here. We have a lot to get done today and a few things to explain. But we gotta get moving quick because we gotta go pick up the world's greatest cameraman and a contender for Employee of the Month for this month. You keep up the good work, you might replace your older brother. We gotta go pick up the kiddos. It is Aloha Friday. Let's go. Oh, this car is, I forget how powerful this car is, especially when it comes around to fall and winter time where the air is nice, cool, and crisp, and the supercharger is having a lot of fun. Bit of a zing and pep to her.
A little more zing and a little more pep.
Zing and pep. See, those are the kind of words we're looking for
Right now. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. We have a lot to get done and a little bit to explain. I have some good news for some of you that have been asking week after week after week. Yes, we're in fact selling. We'll get into that here in a little bit. What we're also doing today is finally taking care of something on the Trail Boss that has been highly demanded. We are gonna rip off something on the Trail Boss and replace it with something better. But before all that, we gotta go pick up my little minions to get them back to the house. Dun 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 dun. Back it up. And we're good. Man. These cars are polar opposite. This is a completely different experience. Going from that car to this one really quickly. That one's so quick, agile, on the ground, hunkered down, almost like a bunker feeling. And then you hop in this one, you're back in the sky. A little bit lumpy, not that fast anymore, but it's so big. They both have V8s. Now, one thing with the truck my wife has been complaining about, to be honest, is it's not as fast as it used to be. We went from like 32-inch tires to 35s. Both the wheel and tires are both heavier than the ones that came off of them, so it's got a lot more unsprung weight. So she's been complaining a little bit. We've actually been kind of tinkering around the idea of picking up another vehicle. Now, the question I'm asking you to put below is what should be our next vehicle? It needs to be quick. It needs to be something we can fit our family in. Once we make that next purchase, I get the truck. Yeah, this guy. And I get to keep the ZL1. When it's time to pick up the kiddos, this is the highlight of my freaking week. What's up, guys? And guess what? We're back! That car looks so good. What do you like better? Do you like mommy's truck or daddy's car?
Daddy's car.
That's what I thought. Is daddy the best or mommy the best?
Mommy's best.
You're fired.
So by highly requested demand, in this little package I have was replacing that decal at the back of the truck. So many of you guys absolutely hate the Trail Boss emblem here, and I get where you're coming from. It's not the best. We have this, which is I bought from Amazon.com. I'll put a link in the description below. This is super cheap, nothing too crazy, and I'm sure it's trademark infringed. This replacing that. But that's not the only thing we are doing because we need to get these cleaned up. These are the stock OEM Trail Boss wheels with the Goodyear Duratrax wrapped around them. So the dozens of you guys have been asking if I'm selling those. I am in fact going to sell the wheels and tires. So if you remember back a few weeks ago, there's a company, I'm not gonna say their name, but we can say Flaming Boulder, we'll call them. So Flaming Boulder decided to leave the alignment tool sensors on my tires and go for a drive around the block. Doing so, scratched up the clear coat pretty good on those, but it's not to the point where I can't polish it out. So we are gonna clean up the wheels, polish it out, and then those are going up for sale. If you guys are interested in the wheels, go ahead and shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'm not gonna ship them as at this point, it's gonna be a local pickup. I am an hour directly north of Dallas, Texas. So that puts you in perspective where we're at. Make me an offer on Instagram, guys. I'm not gonna give these away for free. Unfortunately, I do need some funds to continue to invest in this in the video. So those are up for sale right now. Fun fact, guys, if you are to run a wide tire setup or a big tire setup on your trucks, I washed this truck a few days ago, and then on Wednesday this week, it rained for 5 minutes. Like literally, it rained for 5 minutes and then went away. It was bright and sunny. And yeah, this truck is now obliterated. Something to note, if you are gonna have offset wheels with big tires, your truck's gonna be a mess 90% of the time. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick detail on the 2020 Trail Boss and pull these wheels and tires out. Now, I'm the type of guy that when I sell something, I want it to be in as good of condition as I can possibly provide it. We're gonna clean this up. And then here you can see what I was talking about earlier when they left that alignment piece on there. So actually it turns out I don't even need my orbital polisher. That's what it looks like now. And that's what it looked like beforehand. So pretty easy stuff to do. We've got a brand new clean microfiber cloth. We have Adams Polishes polishing compound. Literally just putting a dab of this on the microfiber cloth, polishing it out by hand, and she is done. All right, that's all four complete. And I can honestly say these are back to as good as new. If you guys are interested, again, 20,000 miles on the tires. All four TPMS sensors are still installed. And if you guys are to bolt these up on your truck, it's a pretty simple process to reprogram those TPMS sensors. You don't need to break down the tire. Everything's ready to go. If you are interested, DM me on Instagram. Make me an honest offer. Please don't waste my time. These funds will be reinvested into the 2020 Trail Boss and what's upcoming for the OG Silverado. We have a lot coming up for that truck. In the description below, I'll update the description once they are sold. That's enough about that. It's time to deal with our Trail Boss decal sticker on the back end of the truck. We're gonna heat this sticker off so it comes off pretty easy in one piece, and then show you what's going on in this place. There we go. We saved it. So if you guys just pulling that off and throwing it away, it takes 5 seconds. But trying to be careful and pull it off because I'm gonna stick that on my son's little toy truck. He's gonna like that. And then we're gonna replace it with the new one, but I'm gonna get this nasty adhesive goop off there. Alright, oh, same thing, just black. A bit longer. So what I'm gonna do is line up the front end where the one came off, and then this back end's gonna extend probably another inch. At least that's the way both of them are lined up. Yeah. That's a cool shirt you got there. And he decided to put a golf ball on the inside. You got it! Okay, there's one more. There you go. Let's roll it back. There we go. All right, I can get for 95,000 pounds of weight just falling you. People ask me why my projects take so long. I've been putting a sticker on your truck for an hour now.
Is that what it is?
And that's how it's gonna be. You like it white?
No.
No? Well, good, because it's underneath. By the way, your kids just took off.
Longest tape.
Ladies and gentlemen, the world's second greatest camera. Sorry, he's got the title taken already. That looks sweet. Okay. That was crooked for a second. Now this is looking at it. That does look a lot better. All right, so heat is definitely your friend when you're pulling that sticker off, especially if you want to keep it. That thing came off in one piece, super easy. Now, before we stick our new matte black Trail Boss sticker on this piece, we're gonna get a quick word from our sponsor. I want to thank our sponsor today.
Hi.
Old ones are salvaged. These are gonna go on the greatest cameraman in the world and my #1 employee's little monster truck he has, so he'll enjoy that. And now we're gonna cut to my favorite part of these videos, which is a beautiful Texas country morning. So, see you there. Guys, sorry. Wow. One more thing before we hop into the overall reveal. I want to say thank you to everybody that participated in last week's giveaway program. I love doing these things. These are really quick turnarounds. To our 3 winners, congratulations guys. Go pick up yourselves some Last Fit products on me. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. I also want to let you know that there is a Black Friday sale going on right now until November 30th. 15% off your total order by using code LSH15. Now this is the biggest discount offer they're gonna be offering for the rest of the year, and they're offering it here on this channel. Links are in the description below. Go pick up yourself some Last Fit products, but definitely keep an eye out for future giveaway programs. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and smash that like button while you're down there. But we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, guys, we're back again in my favorite spot. I truly like this spot, especially early morning on the weekends, because I can just chill out here and there's not a soul in sight. I spend my free time avoiding humans, and this is the best place to do it. Guys, look how good this truck looks. 2020 Trail Boss, the 2-inch SST kit from ReadyLift, 35 by 12.5s, have my HD Pro wheels with that nice little poke going on there. Now this thing rode extremely rough when I initially installed everything, and I figured that's how it was gonna be, but I was dumb and we had nearly 60 PSI in all 4 of these tires. It rode like it was riding on the Flintstones wheels, and we brought that PSI down in the mid 40s, and it rides like a dream now. I could not be more happy with this. Now fuel mileage has suffered a bit. We are below 15 miles per gallon. I will say my wife does have a little heavy of a foot, but that has nothing to do with today's video. It was all about this little sticker, and I'm stoked on it. So I will say we ran a few errands yesterday, and I look back at the truck from a side profile. It makes quite a difference. And that is in fact gonna end today's video. Thank you so much for joining me for this just miscellaneous day. A little bit of ZL content, a little bit of Trail Boss love, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to smash that like button below if you haven't joined the family yet. Subscribe below, it's absolutely free. It just gives you visibility for new videos that I post on a weekly basis. So until that next video comes, as always, y'all take care. We hope. Aloha. You gotta be kidding me.
Speed and power.
Few hours actually cleaning up shop, but I want to say thank you to everybody that participated in last week's giveaway program. I love doing these things with really quick turnarounds. To our 3 winners